Hello guys, welcome to my channel AmiTechHD. So in this video I will show you how to add social links to your YouTube channel. So let's start. First go to your YouTube channel. Here you can see customize channel. Just click on it. Now you can see about section. After clicking on that, you will see an interface like this. Thus you have to add social links here. You will see the description. The description even you can edit from here, and below that you can see edit. That click on it, and you can add up to 5 links here. After clicking on edit, you can add your Instagram page, Twitter page and Facebook page also. After adding all these URLs, just click on done. After that go to your channel, then you can see interface like this. Here you can see all your links that you added. So thank you guys. If you want more videos like this, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.